Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I was just making a cup of Gatorade GX. Anyways, you might notice that the quality of this video is horrendous. That's because I'm recording on my MacBook. Remember this video where I talked about how I broke my phone? Well, I'm getting it. I took it to Best Buy to get it repaired, and it turns out I have to send it. They had to send it into Apple, and I just have to get a whole new phone. So, can't really record anything because that's my main camera. Although there is one video that I'm working on that I don't need a camera for, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, won't be able to post that much for a while until that new phone comes in. Anyways, this is just an update video to get y'all to know what happened. Anyways, thanks for understanding. Goodbye.